Kolumbai, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel. So this is your boy सिद्धार्थ बोरो और आज का दिन बहुत ही स्पेशल है क्योंकि आज मैं Q&A क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर राउंड रखने वाला हूँ अपना चैनल पे. So आं माबा आंसर खालामगोन all the questions. So not all, but I'll try to जितना हो सके I'll try my best. So stay tuned and yeah, please keep loving, keep supporting, and stay tuned. Okay, ta-da! So here we are back to my channel. So okay, it's time. So मैं कोशिश करूँगा. I'm so sorry at first. सबसे पहले मैं sorry बोलना चाहूँगा क्योंकि मैं बहुत ही पहले I was supposed to upload this video, but then again बहुत ही ज़्यादा busy था with so many of things जो कि मैं reveal करूँगा कि क्या क्या है वो सब. I am working in so many projects right now. आप लोगों तक पहुँचाना is the first thing. So वही चाह रहा था. So that's why मुझे time नहीं मिला कि मैं ये session कर सकूँ. But finally I got some time and right now I'm in Shillong enjoying my green tea. So yeah, now coming back to the point. Today is the day of question and answer round. So अभी आज हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि पहला question हम लोग not पहला I mean like मैंने the point was कि जितने भी questions similar हैं तो उनको jot करके reply करूँ. So okay, so my team and I we have selected few questions which were often asked. तो सबसे ज़्यादा पूछा गया. So अभी मैं reply करने वाला हूँ. Okay, so the first question is by Kaveri Wargi. Okay, at first I'm sorry अगर मैं wrong pronunciation कर रहा हूँ. So please forgive me. Okay, Kaveri Wargi का question है who is your crush or GF? Okay, so Angni crush, my crush it's from like not from the country. It's Monica Bellucci. I really love her. She is so beautiful. Had a huge crush on her. And the second person is Angelina Jolie. They're both flawless. I just love them. So my crush is Monica Bellucci and Angelina Jolie. Okay. So the next question is by Junu Moni Karchi. Okay, her question is, if I propose you seriously, what will be your answer? Wow. This is embarrassing. But if you propose me someday, like it depends how you propose me. But most importantly, I always believe in connection. It's just connection to, I can move ahead. एक step आगे ले सकता हूँ with the partner or the person. So depending on that and this is embarrassing. Okay, so yeah, so I'll say we'll see about that in future. So पहले propose करना पड़ेगा फिर हम सोचेंगे. मुझे किया नहीं so there's no point talking about it. But thank you so much, Junu, and lots of love to you. Okay, so the next question is by Asmi Nardari. GF Dong na gaya. Okay. Be answer ko ang next episode of Bungan. This is the most asked question, I guess. But yeah, I'll talk about it in the next episode for sure. Ask me and stay tuned. I'll definitely answer that question. Okay, so here we are, and the next question is by Simangsa Boro. Okay, so Simangsa Boro ने पूछा है, who is your girlfriend, dear brother? Love from Udalguri. Oh wow, from Udalguri. At first, thank you so much, Simangsa, for all your love, and to all the Udalgurians, lots of love. So okay, coming back to your question, who is your girlfriend? So like I mentioned, Ashmi. So नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में मैं डेफिनेटली रिवील करने वाला हूँ कि कौन मेरा गर्लफ्रेंड है एंड गर्लफ्रेंड है कि नहीं, और अगर है तो कब से है, और अगर कब से है तो कौन है. So they're all interconnected, but yeah, I'm gonna answer soon. So thank you so much, Simangsa. Lots of love to you, brother, and to all the Udalgurians, you guys rock. Okay, so the next question is by Babita Boro. Okay, she has asked 2 questions. Okay, Babita, हम दोनों आंसर मतलब सवाल का आंसर कर देंगे. So the first question is, when was your first role as an actor? Okay, So my first role as an actor was in 2018 release movie called Three Smoking Barrels. I debuted with that movie. So उसका थिएट्रिकल रिलीज हुआ था ऑल इंडिया में. So फिलहाल द मूवी इज अवेलेबल. अभी ये पिक्चर नेटफ्लिक्स पे अवेलेबल है, नेटफ्लिक्स दोनों. सो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सभी से कि जिन लोगों ने नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच द मूवी. इट्स कॉल्ड थ्री स्मोकिंग बैरल्स एंड आई हैड द वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी. बहुत ही एक अनोखा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला मुझे बहुत सारे देश के अच्छे अच्छे एनएसडी पास आउट एक्टर्स के साथ. एंड नॉट ओनली जस्ट एनएसडी बट यू नो लाइक different kind of actors, so that really helped me a lot. And आज जो भी हूँ through the movie Three Smoking Barrels ही हूँ. So yeah, my first movie as an actor was Three Smoking Barrels, where I played one of the protagonists. मैं one of the lead characters play किया था from the movie. So जिन्होंने नहीं देखा please go and watch. Now coming back to your second question, do you have experience in acting in television or film? Okay, so I've done films. Smoking Barrels and Amish was presented by Anurag Kashyap, Bollywood director, and was directed by National Award winner Mr. Bhaskar Hazarika. That was my second movie. And when it comes to television, I just did a cameo. Yeah, I mean like so far I offer आया था. Long story, but yeah, I mean like yet to debut in television. So अभी तक मैंने किया नहीं है. Hopefully soon, you never know. अच्छा project अगर आता है तो. So yeah, thank you so much. Okay, so the next question is by Gunak Bosumatari. Favorite actress in Bollywood? Oh, माबा बहुत सारे हैं. There's so many. I mean like they're really good. But Pooja Mushahari, yeah. So Pooja is really good, and Helena, of course, she's good. Fuji is there. Gemshri is there. Jennifer is there. There's so many, you know, like, and they are all good friends, so they are really good. Even Aboria is there, so you know, some fantastic actresses of all time. So, and I hope to work with all of them, all my co-stars, including the newcomers. सारे मेरे favorite हैं in a way. That's a little cheap to say. I mean, you know, diplomatic answer दे रहा हूँ, but yeah, you have to be diplomatic. So I like all of them, and hopefully I'll get जिनके साथ मैंने काम नहीं किया, hopefully we'll you know work real soon. Okay, thank you Gunak for your question. So the next question is by Karina Boro. Okay, so Karina का question है Adaya Boro Rangunama. Okay, Adaya Boro Rangunama, and you are so cute and handsome, Ada. At first, Karina, zabat gazantham, for giving me so much of love, of course, and ang Boro Rangode, ang Salangasina. So, you know, trying my best. So please do support and Rango. Oh, Boro Rango. So thank you, Karina. Thank you so much. So the next question again is by Jangila Bosumatari. Relationship Surgeon Dong. ये क्वेश्चन सर्जन दोंग बिसर्जों नंजों आंजों बयबोजों सबजों. I'll answer. Answer खालामगोन in next episode. So please do I mean like subscribe my channel and stay tuned. So sorry Jangila. I mean like I'll answer this question. I'll answer खालामगोन दे माबा next episode दे for sure. But yeah, thank you so much for asking that, and I'll answer. Okay, so moving on. The next question is by Janak Mr. Okay, Janak Mr. Okay, so his question is Sir Nangni South Indian favorite hero heroine Sir please. Okay, Nangthanga da mas tadi halamna bobe college. Okay, so angni favorite South Indian movie actor hero maba Allu Arjun dong, Prabhas, Mahesh Babu, Thalaiwa Vijay, and Yanna Rascal Rajnikant. I like him. No, these guys are superb, and lots of love to them. And angni favorite heroine Baba ang Kajal Agarwal, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, Kajal Agarwal ko zabat madang mano as an actress. So she's good. Zabat Somaina na Kajal Agarwal. So okay, yeah. So these are my favorite people from the south. And coming back to your next question, nang thanga da mas study khalamne. Okay, so ang maba LLB pass out, ang advocate de professionally ang advocate. Kintu by passion ang acting maba khalam gasino. So wait, yeah. Aru bobe college of JB Law College Guwahati. Thank you so much, Janak, for your lovely question. Okay, now we'll move on to the next question. Narzari vlog. Okay. Ada nang ni Boro film ni favorite actress sir. Antra nang ang ni favorite actor ada. Yeah. Thank you Narzari vlog. जबरदस्त कदम था. हमको इतना प्यार देने के लिए इतना सारा आपने जो प्यार दिया है मुझे. I mean like okay. Before I answer your next question, मैं just thank you बोलना चाहता हूँ to all my fans. I mean like I know कि मैं थोड़ा अलग दिखता हूँ, थोड़ा अलग बोलता हूँ, but still इतना कम टाइम पे आप लोगों ने जितना मुझे प्यार दिया, I can hardly think of anything else. So I just wanna say thank you इतना प्यार देने के लिए. I really love you guys a lot and you guys mean to me so much. और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि हमेशा आप लोगों को entertain करूँ, खुशियाँ दूँ and धन्यवाद. Thank you so very much. Now coming back to your question, आंगनी favorite Boro film ni actress, ang already mentioned khalam dangman, maba Fuji, Pooja, Helena, Jennifer, Aboria, Gemshri, Lipika, and all the beautiful actresses with whom I've worked or yet to work. So they are all my favorites. Okay, so the next question is by Josumi Basu. Okay, Josumi Basu. So उनका क्वेश्चन है, हाय ब्रो, नंगनी फेवरेट कलर अम्मा, आंगनी फेवरेट कलर गसम. गसम आंगनी फेवरेट कलर. आरो माबा आंग पिंक, रेड, blue. I like those color as well. So but most favorite angni gasam color. Thank you Josumi. Okay, so the next question is by Sushmita Brahma. Where are you from, bro? You're my favorite actor. Thank you so much, Sushmita, for your love. And okay, sorry, I'm so sorry. Her question is not. I hope we'll see you soon. Oh, definitely. Thap laguman gande. Ekdam for sure. Now coming back to your question, where are you from, bro? So I was born and brought up in Guwahati. Then in the later half of my early college life, I started moving around in Delhi and Bombay, especially Bombay. So but born and brought up in Guwahati. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Sushmita. Okay, now to the next question. Bihum Borgiari. Hey bro, don't you supposed to prepare for civil services exam? Okay, that's a good question. So yeah, I mean most of my family members are from the civil services line. They're in the public work sector. So some are in judicial sector. Yeah, I mean as I've already mentioned, I am an advocate by qualification. I am not just an advocate but all India bar examination pass out advocate. Not a lot, I mean not many people knows about that. So yeah, but again like I said, I will go for it. I'm just 25 right now, so I'm just trying to explore my life, figure out what I actually want to do. मैं क्या करना चाहता हूँ, क्या बनना चाहता हूँ, या those kind of a thing, और explore करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि समय है मेरे पास थोड़ा देर. So I mean you never know man, कभी अगर किसी दिन UPSC has always been on the back of my mind, and if not this then definitely civil service में मैं कोशिश करने वाला हूँ. अभी तक नहीं किया है. It's just an idea. So let's see क्या होता है क्या नहीं. Thank you so much Bihu, and if you are preparing for civil services, my best wishes to you. Okay, so the next question is by Nana Brahma. Sid, I love you like crazy. Yeah, how sweet Nana, how sweet. Thank you so very much. I think I'm really lucky, Nana, that you guys have given me so much of love. I don't know if I deserve it, but God knows how thankful and grateful I am. Lots of gratitude, and thank you so very much, and I love you too. Please keep loving and supporting me like this. Okay, so the next question is by Zain Kark. Okay, her question is, or he, I don't know. Okay, So her question is, if I propose you seriously, what will be your answer? Okay, I think we got one more question like this. We got one more question, no? Okay, never mind. Sorry, I was talking to my team. Okay, so if I propose you seriously, what will be your answer? Like I said, it depends. Then, if you're proposing me somewhere in Paris nearby the Eiffel Tower, I will definitely say yes when I'm, drinking my red wine. Bonjour. So okay, but yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm a very traditional kind of a guy. I mean, like with this thing, I am kind of slow and really Indian. I have that Indianness in me. मेरे अंदर बहुत ही ज़्यादा देसी vibe है. So मैं more than somebody proposing me, like it should be special. I mean, like love is something very divine and pure for me. बहुत ही ज़्यादा. So I just don't randomly keep on saying I love you to anybody. So, if you propose me and if I really like you, if I know you, most importantly, never know. That might be a yes for as an answer. But then again, hypothetically वो था. So, किसी दिन अगर मिलते हैं तो देखते हैं कहाँ हमारा किस्मत आगे जाता है. But Zain, thank you so very much for your question, and yeah, please keep loving me, please keep supporting me, and hope to see you soon, maybe. Okay. So the next question is by Daimalu Sorgyari. Have you attended any wedding without giving money? Okay, इनका question है, क्या मैंने कभी कोई wedding attend किया है बिना पैसे दिए? Daimalu, honestly, बहुत सारा. Okay, just between you and me and all our viewers, बहुत सारा मैंने शादी ऐसा अटेंड किया है जहाँ पे not just money, पैसा दिए बिना तो छोड़ो, बुलाए भी नहीं गए थे. And those were like some early school days and colleges, you know how we were. I mean, दोस्तों के साथ and फ्री का मुफ्त का खाना खाने के लिए चले जाते थे, किक मिलता था उसमें. So yes, I have attended many weddings without giving money and without being invited, and I'm accepting it shamelessly. But ऐसा करना नहीं चाहिए, बुरी बात है. But yeah, I have done that. But that was long time ago. अभी नहीं, क्योंकि अभी करना of course embarrassing हो जाएगा. But yeah, I have done it, and I guess आप लोगों ने किया है कि नहीं ये भी मुझे बताना है. Okay. So guys, this was my last question. Thank you so very much for for all your crazy and lovable questions. और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, मैंने अभी तक मतलब मैं फुल जा नहीं सको. आज मैंने सिर्फ 15 क्वेश्चंस पकड़े या 14 शायद. या सो मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में मैं फिर से उसको रिप्लाई करूं एंड सारा क्वेश्चंस को मैं आंसर करूं. सो अगर आपके पास और क्वेश्चंस है, नंगनी थाखाय आरो जदि क्वेश्चंस दङ आंखौ माबा just type and ask me on my Instagram, which is Siddharth Boro Official, on my official Facebook page, which is also Siddharth Boro Official. You can mail me at siddharthboro12@gmail.com, and but most importantly on my YouTube channel Siddharth Boro. So अगर आपके पास कुछ क्वेश्चन है और if you want me to answer them, मैं और कोशिश करूँगा कि और आंसर करूँ. So it was really nice talking to you guys, and thank you so very much for giving me so much of love, and keep loving, keep supporting. Please subscribe and share the channel, and please hit the bell icon and get notified whenever I'm live or posting anything. So yeah, अगर subscribe करते हो तो please notify करना अपना bell icon को hit करके. So guys, thank you so very much. This is your friendly host of the day, Mr. Siddharth Boro, signing out with lots of love. So Jai Boro Harini, Khulumbai, Gazanthang, Aro. Take care. Love you guys. So thank you so very much. See you soon.